Today we look at Figure AI and its BotQ factory, which now produces the Figure 03 humanoid robot at a rate of 1 robot per hour. This matters because an earlier Figure robot already spent 11 months on the BMW Spartanburg production line, contributing to more than 30,000 vehicles. In the next few minutes, we cover what it actually takes to mass-produce humanoid robots and why production rate, not flashy demos, is the real signal in 2026. Let us start with the core idea behind Figure 03 at BotQ. Here are the essentials of Figure 03 at BotQ in plain language, what it is and why it was introduced. Figure AI's BotQ factory now produces the Figure 03 humanoid at a rate of 1 robot per hour. That cadence reframes the conversation away from one-off prototypes and toward sustained, repeatable manufacturing output. The unit coming off BotQ is the Figure 03, the latest generation of Figure AI's humanoid platform. It is the specific model tied to this hourly production milestone we are discussing today. Before this milestone, a Figure robot spent 11 months working on the BMW Spartanburg production line. That deployment showed the hardware could survive sustained, real factory conditions rather than just controlled demos. During those 11 months at BMW Spartanburg, the Figure robot contributed to more than 30,000 vehicles. That volume is concrete evidence of work done at industrial scale, not a single-stage task. Now let us look at why Figure 03 at BotQ matters in practice. Here is where Figure 03 at BotQ shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. In 2026, the metric to watch is production rate. BotQ's 1 robot per hour cadence tells us more about real progress than any single demo video of a humanoid folding laundry or pouring coffee. The 11-month BMW Spartanburg run is the durability proof point. When we evaluate humanoid claims, we should ask how long the hardware has actually run in production, not just what it did on stage. Contributing to more than 30,000 vehicles demonstrates measurable economic value. When applying this lens, we look for output numbers like these rather than vague promises about future capability. The practical takeaway is to judge humanoid programs by throughput. BotQ producing 1 Figure 03 per hour is the kind of manufacturing metric that separates a shipping product from a research project. Let us recap the key takeaways on Figure 03 at BotQ and what to do next. Figure AI's BotQ factory produces the Figure 03 humanoid at 1 robot per hour, a concrete manufacturing milestone. A Figure robot spent 11 months working on the BMW Spartanburg production line, proving real-world endurance. That BMW deployment contributed to more than 30,000 vehicles, evidence of value delivered at industrial scale. In 2026, production rate is the real signal of progress in humanoid robotics, not polished demonstration clips. We have seen how Figure AI's BotQ factory now builds the Figure 03 at 1 robot per hour, and how an earlier unit logged 11 months at BMW Spartanburg across 30,000 vehicles. If this helped, subscribe and stay tuned for more AI news breakdowns. For more information, visit Standarity.com. See you in the next video.